I'm Jennifer Mattingly, and I work for Rockcastle County Schools at the central office. And today I'm going to be reading for you Pete the Cat Saves Christmas. I love Pete the Cat stories, and this is one of my favorites, and I hope you enjoy it too. Let's get started. 'Twas the day before Christmas, and Santa was ill. In the cold winter wind, he had caught a bad chill. Poor Santa, look at him in the bed. Will Christmas be canceled? Will it come to that? Never, cried Santa. Let's call Pete the Cat. Santa asked Pete to deliver the toys to all the good girls and to all the good boys. He's calling him on his cell phone. I'll do it, said Pete. And although I'm small, at Christmas we give, so I'll give it my all. Give it your all. Give it your all. At Christmas we give, so give it your all. Road trip, cried Pete. Pete jumped in his minibus and started to roll. First stop, the North Pole. The reindeer were waiting to give Pete a tow, so he packed up the presents and told them to go. Then the minibus flew just like in a movie. Pete the Cat cried, "This is totally groovy." I can do it, said Pete, and although I'm small, at Christmas we give, so I'll give it my all. Give it your all. Give it your all. At Christmas we give, so give it your all. As the children were sleeping, all snug in their beds, Pete and his reindeer appeared overhead. Straight down the chimney, Pete flew in a flash, then back in his minibus, quick as a flash. Each time he delivered a holiday gift, he crossed off a name written on Santa's list. He's marking off his names. Santa's list was so big, and Pete felt so small. But at Christmas we give, so he gave it his all. Give it your all. Give it your all. At Christmas we give, so give it your all. At the very last minute, they reached the last house. Pete dashed in and out, just as quiet as a mouse. Then right at the break of the new Christmas day, Pete and his reindeer were flying away. Can you see he's flying? Back at the North Pole, old Santa was waiting. The elves and the townfolk were all celebrating. See, we have Santa's workshop over here, and here are all of his elves. What are they saying? Thank you, Pete. Down here at the bottom, small is cool. Santa was was dressed in his red coat and hat and cried, "Hip, hip, hooray for our friend, Pete the cat." "I did it," said Pete, "and although I'm small, in the spirit of Christmas, I gave it my all." I want everyone to sing with me. Give it your all, give it your all. At Christmas we give, so give it your all. And Pete gets a little present too. I just want to say Merry Christmas to everyone in Rockcastle County, and I hope that you'll remember that this Christmas to give it your all.